currently at the Chicago aquarium. Yo, what's this place called again, you guys?
Like Sperm Aquarium.
The SHEDD Aquarium.
Sperm Aquarium.
All right, so they have spermatorium. So I'm gonna be showing you guys all videos of all the creatures here. Starting off the blue whales. Next, we're gonna be going on to bottlenose dolphins. After their show is done, we will be allowed in there. So now we're gonna go check out some penguins. Always beautiful and always smelly. Actually, we can go check out the bottlenose dolphins right now. So right here we have a penguin that sort of looks like me if I were a penguin trying to get out. What else you guys see right here? A couple on shore there. One right there. Yo, what you guys doing, Andrew? I got a couple of my buddies around here.
My stairs.
Practicing my stairs.
What are you doing?
Wait, what?
Getting a phone call.
Alright, lad. Dude, I'm recording this and posting this on YouTube. Okay, lad, let's get into this tunnel. Yes! Oh, very comfortable.
You like my S one? We are down by the whales.
Oh. Yes. Nah. I'm taking off my shoes. You better not fart, Andrew. I swear to God. Andrew, what are you doing?
Why, hello there.
A limbo way, a limbo way. Hillary Clinton here, just chilling.
Andrew, he's over here. Okay, so they're lost. You go back.
So I'm actually currently going through. Always a bit of fun. So that was my good friend Andrew. Get his last name. Chase, man of the hour, Palmer, right? We also got Gabe here. Gabe, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, they're probably my Russian colt. Now we're going to be going to check out the bottlenose dolphins. Quite fast creatures, if I do say so myself. Alright, so that's some of the bottlenose dolphins. I'm Pacific white-sided dolphins, that's my bad. Alright, and that's going to end it for right now, lads. I'll catch up with you later.